Montana. They call it Big Sky Country for a reason. It's a place where mountains scrape the clouds, rivers carve through endless valleys, and the horizon seems to go on forever. Today, we're exploring why Montana should be on your travel list. In the north, Glacier National Park stands as a monument to the power of ancient glaciers. These colossal rivers of ice carved deep valleys, chiseled sharp peaks, and left behind lakes filled with water so clear they seem like liquid jewels. Waterfalls, fed by melting snow, cascade down sheer rock faces in this landscape of breathtaking scale and drama. Further south, Yellowstone National Park presents a different kind of spectacle, a land of fire and steam. Hot springs paint the ground in vivid hues, creating a landscape that is alive, breathing, and constantly changing. In Yellowstone's Lamar Valley, often called America's Serengeti, great herds of bison roam while wolves hunt in elusive packs. Montana's vast landscape is not simply for observing. It's an open invitation to participate and engage with the natural world. For the hiker, there are thousands of miles of trails, each leading to new discoveries, from gentle creekside paths to strenuous climbs with summit views. A gentle path can lead to a hidden waterfall, while more challenging routes reward with sweeping vistas of a sea of mountains. The waters of Montana offer their own adventures. Fly fishing on pristine rivers like the Gallatin, a meditative dance of patience and precision. For more adrenaline, whitewater rafting and kayaking through churning rapids, or peaceful moments, paddling a kayak or gliding in a canoe across calm mountain lakes. When winter blankets the land, mountains transform into paradise for skiers and snowboarders. Beyond resorts, backcountry cross-country skiing and snowshoeing through snow-muffled forests where the crunch of snow and your own breath create magic. And the classic Montana experience, exploring on horseback, riding through meadows fragrant with sagebrush under the immense big sky. The spirit of Montana is found not only in wild landscapes, but in warm, welcoming communities. Bozeman, nestled in the Gallatin Valley, exemplifies this perfectly. Independent bookshops, art galleries showcasing local talent, and cozy coffee shops where people gather, all with the energy of nearby university culture. Despite the outdoor culture and university energy, it maintains that authentic, friendly, small-town feel. Missoula, in a valley carved by 5 rivers, feels creative and laid back, a town of writers, artists, and musicians. A downtown stroll leads to bustling farmers markets with fresh produce, local honey, and handmade crafts. Live music drifts from breweries, quirky independent cinemas show classic films, and open-minded people fiercely love their town. Further north, near Glacier National Park, Whitefish offers Old West storefronts and serves as a hub for hikers, boaters, and park visitors in summer. In winter, it transforms into a festive ski town with fires crackling in lodges and a celebratory après-ski atmosphere. With Whitefish Lake as year-round backdrop, it's home to a tightly knit community passionate about mountain living. What truly defines these towns is the people. Authenticity without pretense, offering smiles, waves, and helpful local advice. These towns are more than stopovers. They're welcoming, independent communities deeply connected to the land, with resilience and wisdom from demanding seasons. To travel through Montana is to travel through time. Long before European explorers arrived, this was homeland to numerous Native American tribes. The Crow, Blackfeet, Salish, Kootenai, and Cheyenne, their connection to this land is profound and spiritual, with every river, mountain, and valley holding names and stories passed down through generations. These are not just places on a map. They are sacred sites, hunting grounds, and ancestral homes woven into the fabric of cultural identity. At Little Bighorn Battlefield National Monument, one can stand where Custer's 7th Cavalry clashed with Lakota Sioux, Cheyenne, and Arapaho warriors. A somber, powerful sight inviting reflection on pivotal American history. At First Peoples Buffalo Jump State Park, cliffs used for centuries by tribes to hunt bison testify to their ingenuity, deep understanding of animal behavior, and communal way of life. This history is preserved in vibrant living cultures of today's tribal nations, not as museum pieces, but as vital continuing traditions. Powwows held throughout summer on reservations are powerful, joyful celebrations of heritage, not performances for tourists, but vital community gatherings. The air fills with resonant drum beats mimicking Mother Earth's heartbeat, while dancers in magnificent regalia move with grace, their movements telling ancient stories. Understanding this rich heritage transforms Montana from beautiful wilderness into storied, sacred, deeply historical land demanding reverence and respect. Alongside ancient Native American heritage, another powerful cultural narrative defines Montana. The story of the American cowboy, born in the late 19th century and very much alive today. The values of the cowboy, hard work, independence, resilience, and deep connection to land and livestock, shape rural communities across the state. This heritage is visible everywhere. Vast ranches stretch across valleys, some held by the same families for generations, with weathered fences tracing the land. In small towns, you'll see ranchers in practical attire, worn jeans, cowboy hats, and sturdy boots. Clothing for lives tied to outdoors, seasonal rhythms, and animal welfare. This lifestyle demands rugged self-sufficiency and intimate knowledge of the land, following the rhythms of seasons and the well-being of animals. It requires constant maintenance, problem-solving, and the ability to read the land like a book written in grass, weather, and animal behavior. The Cowboy Way is celebrated with enthusiasm. All summer, nearly every small town hosts a rodeo, a thrilling showcase of modern cowboys and cowgirls. Bronc riding, barrel racing, steer wrestling, the rodeo is community gathering where neighbors celebrate heritage and enjoy friendly competition. It's about passing traditions to the next generation. The energy is infectious, a true display of Western culture and community spirit. Guest and dude ranches offer immersive experiences where visitors can learn to ride, help with simple ranch chores, and explore backcountry with experienced wranglers. It's a chance to disconnect and reconnect, ending days with hearty meals around campfires under brilliant stars, fostering appreciation for hard work, open spaces, and the enduring spirit of the American West. Montana is a land of 4 distinct and dramatic seasons, each with its own personality. It doesn't just change, it transforms completely into a new Montana every few months. A valley can be a sea of green in summer, a canvas of gold and crimson in autumn, pristine white in winter, and a carpet of wildflowers in spring. To know Montana is to witness the eternal cycle: renewal, growth, decline, rest, each season bringing its own character and beauty. Summer is perhaps the most celebrated season, a time of long days and glorious sunshine when the land is lush and vibrant, bursting with life. Wildflowers of every color blanket the mountain meadows, and rivers run full and clear, perfect for grand adventures. This is the season for hiking to alpine lakes, camping under star-filled skies, and long road trips with windows down, breathing air warm and fragrant with pine and sagebrush. Following summer's warmth, autumn arrives with crisp, cool clarity. The air becomes sharp and clean, and the quality of light changes. This is the season of color. Aspen and cottonwood trees turn brilliant shades of yellow and gold, creating stunning contrast against dark green pines and deep blue sky. It's a quieter, more contemplative time with summer crowds thinned and a sense of land preparing for winter, perfect for peaceful drives and wildlife watching. Winter brings profound peace and stillness. Heavy snow blankets quiet the world, insulating it from sound and transforming familiar shapes into soft, elegant forms. Mountains draped in white look even more majestic. While it may seem a time of hibernation, it's also a season of vigorous activity for those who embrace the cold. The crisp, dry air is perfect for skiing, snowshoeing, or ice fishing. The world seems clean, pure, and new. After a day in the cold, nothing compares to the cozy warmth of a crackling fire. A perfect end to a winter's day in Big Sky Country. After winter's long, quiet sleep, spring arrives in Montana not with sudden burst, but as a slow, tentative awakening, a season of subtle changes and powerful transformations. The first sign is often dripping water as the immense snow blanket begins its slow retreat. Icicles grow longer, then shorter, melting in strengthening sun. Days grow noticeably longer. Sunlight carries new warmth and intensity. This is a time of promise. Winter's grip is finally loosening. As snow recedes from valley floors, first hints of green appear. Dormant grasses show new shoots, creating a delicate, verdant haze across the landscape. Along riverbanks, willows and cottonwoods start to bud. painting the landscape with the first brushstrokes of spring's palette. This is crucial time for wildlife. Bears emerge hungry and lean, while elk and deer begin migration back to high country, following the retreating snow line in a landscape in motion. Rivers that were frozen or low now swell with spring melt, becoming powerful, churning forces cloudy with sediment. This is the season of waterfalls. Small cascades appear on cliffsides while established waterfalls roar with seasonal power. The sound of rushing water dominates the Montana spring. It's a messy, muddy, and magnificent season, nature's grand awakening in all its raw, unpolished glory. Perhaps most magical is the return of wildflowers. Delicate flowers push up through last snow patches, tiny crocuses and spring beauties dot the forest floor. As season progresses, displays grow spectacular, slopes painted with yellow balsam root and purple lupine, an explosion of color after winter's monochrome. This creates a profound sense of joy and renewal. Spring in Montana stands as testament to resilience and the cyclical beauty of the natural world. A journey to a place as vast as Montana is best undertaken with preparation. Understanding the practicalities will ensure your experience is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. The sheer scale of the state is the first thing to appreciate. Distances between towns and attractions can be significant. A drive that looks short on a map can easily take several hours. Renting a reliable vehicle is almost essential, giving you freedom to explore at your own pace and venture down scenic back roads where much of Montana's charm is hidden. Choosing the best time depends on what you wish to experience. Late June to early September offers the most pleasant weather and greatest access to all areas. This is peak season for hiking, fishing, and camping, including access to high-elevation roads and trails in national parks. However, September can be magical with fewer crowds and stunning autumn colors, while December to March are ideal for winter sports with deep snow and excellent conditions. Packing for Montana requires one key principle: layers. A waterproof and windproof outer layer, warm fleece or sweater, and lighter layers underneath. Sturdy, comfortable footwear is essential whether for serious hiking or short walks. Don't forget sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Never forget bear spray and know how to use it if you plan to hike. Be aware that spring can be unpredictable with late snowstorms and muddy conditions. Finally, embrace the local pace of life. Montana operates on a different rhythm. Things are not rushed, and it's important to build flexibility into your itinerary. Allow for unplanned stops, conversations with local people, and simply sitting and absorbing the immense beauty around you. Be prepared for limited cell service in rural areas. See this not as inconvenience, but as opportunity to truly disconnect and be present in the moment. There are places on this earth that do more than simply delight the eye. They speak to something deeper within us, a part of our spirit that yearns for space, silence, and connection to the wild. Montana is such a place, a land that stays with you long after you have left, its landscapes imprinted on your memory. The image of a jagged peak reflected in a perfectly still alpine lake, the sound of an elk bugling in twilight mist, the feeling of vast open sky stretching endlessly above you. What one ultimately discovers in Montana is perspective. Mountains that have stood for millions of years make our own concerns seem wonderfully small. In the quiet of vast wilderness, the noise and haste of daily life fade away, replaced by profound peace. This is the true gift of Big Sky Country. It is not just a vacation. It is a recalibration of the soul, reminding us of our place in the natural world, a small but integral part of a grand and beautiful tapestry. The spirit of Montana is resilience, independence, and deep, abiding respect for the land. You can feel it in the quiet strength of the mountains and enduring traditions of its people. In the wild creatures that roam its plains and forests, Montana asks for your attention, your patience, your reverence. In return, it offers richness of experience difficult to articulate but impossible to forget. Moments of pure, unadulterated wonder that can restore and inspire. So I extend a heartfelt invitation to you. Come and see it for yourself. Come and stand on a mountaintop. Feel the wind on your face. Come and listen to the silence of a forest, broken only by the call of a bird. Walk the streets of its friendly towns. Feel the warmth of its communities. Do not just look at pictures or read words. Come and experience the immense, wild, unforgettable spirit of Montana. It is waiting for you, ready to share its stories and its secrets. It is a journey that your soul will thank you for. If Montana is now on your bucket list, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what part of Big Sky Country you'd love to see first.